Demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. I recommend doing the test once we finish with this class. Este libro es rojo. This book is red. Esta revista es azul. This magazine is blue. Estos libros son rojos. These books are red. Estas revistas son azules. These magazines are blue. Ese cuadro es mío. That picture is mine. Esa camisa es de él. That shirt is his. Esos cuadros son míos. These pictures are mine. Esas camisas son de él. Those shirts are his. Now, there is another demonstrative pronoun similar to ese and esa, which is aquel, aquella. Right? It also translates as that, or aquellos as those. The difference between ese and aquel is when the object we are referring to is not near, neither from the person speaking, from me, or from the person I'm talking to, then aquel is more suitable, right? If the object is near me as a speaker or the other person, we use ese or esa. Aquel es mi amigo. That is my friend. Aquella es mi amiga. That one is my friend. All right? Aquellos cuadros son míos. Those pictures are mine. Aquellas revistas son mías. Those magazines are mine. And then we have the neutral, like esto es mío. This is mine. Eso es de él. That is his. Aquello es de ella. That is hers.